Okay, quick little update on BRITT. Giant falling wedge forming here, which is a bullish pattern. As you can see, since it's all-time high at 1.9 billion market cap, it's down to 777 million. It's like a 2.5x down, so pretty good time to scoop some up. Sure, it could go lower. That'll also be a good time to scoop some up. But yeah, I always look for the same signs, and I see one right here. So we got a bullish divergence already showing here. I'm gonna make it green. See, the momentum is slowing, the sell momentum, which means it could pull a reversal very soon here. And this giant wedge is a bullish pattern. Once it breaks out to the upside. And when it breaks out the height of the wedge. So if it breaks out, which it should, considering that this thing has volume and it is bullish as fuck in general, it'll probably go right back up to the all-time high. As you can see. Which then could form a double top, which means it'll come back down, or it could form a bull flag and rocket ship to the next high, which it might just do. Form a bull flag here and boom, up to the next high kind of thing. If we want to use this fib to see where a target could be, that would be a $3 billion market cap once this wedge breaks out. Unless it forms a double top, but I don't know if it will. I don't think it will, just because it's BRITT. And things are really going to start heating up, I think, in September onwards to October. So yeah, I bought some today just because I saw that divergence. I saw this wedge, and I also saw this support level here too, which is where the last all-time high was before it did a sell-off and a breakout. And you see that it kind of did the same thing here. Came all the way down, hit support, bounced, and came back down, and then formed also a divergence, which it's doing here also right now. So it's doing the exact same like pattern pretty much from the last run up. Yeah, so it looks like it's following suit with what it did after the last all-time high. So you can see it formed this falling wedge. We saw the divergence at the end of the wedge, and then it broke out. And then I'll look on a smaller time frame here. Looks like it did a bull flag, broke out, bull flag, boom, and then broke out of that up to here, which formed another bull flag, and then that broke out, boom, which I think formed another bull flag there. So yeah, we could see something like that happen. And I think it might, just because BRITT's price action is pretty predictable. I think because retail isn't in the market yet. So it's a lot of the same people accumulating and trading. So you're going to see the same kind of price action and behavior with the same people, obviously, right? But yeah, it's interesting because like it's literally forming the same pattern right now. Just a little bit on a bigger scale, but... So yeah, what if we see this bull flag, right? Form. Then, if it copies what it did before, form another bull flag. That's got us up to $2.8 billion market cap. Yeah, it's interesting too. Look at this, where this bullish divergence is, and then this one. It had such a steep sell-off right before it here, and same with here. This was like the last, that was like the panic day. What happened on this day? April. I remember April also. That's when the market took a big turn too. That's so funny. So similar. So yeah, if it wants to continue doing what it does, this is probably what it's gonna do. I'm not sure exactly when, but could be around September 10th. I don't know if it'll go past this support level, so yeah, it could be around then. Could be sooner, could be later. Not financial advice. I'm just seeing what I notice on these charts, and actually, I kind of want to see something else. I want to see these holders. Wow, look at these holders. This guy's got 29 million, 26 million, 24 million, 12 million, 11 million. Dang.